Hello and welcome back to Coding with Nuno. Today we're exploring a game changer for Tailwind CSS developers, the Prettier plugin Tailwind CSS. Prettier plugin Tailwind CSS is a plugin for Prettier tailored for Tailwind CSS 3 and above. It automatically sorts your Tailwind classes to enhance readability and maintainability of your code. First, you should have Prettier already set up. If you don't know how to do it, check the link in the description below for another video I have showing how to do it. Once you have Prettier set up, you need to install the plugin as a dev dependency. Then, add the plugin to your Prettier config like so. The real magic is how it sorts classes. The plugin organizes your classes in the same order that Tailwind defines in CSS. This means classes in base layer come first, followed by components, and then utilities. Utilities are sorted based on the CSS box model, prioritizing layout impacting classes and grouping related utilities. Modifiers like hover and focus are grouped and sorted after plain utilities. Responsive modifiers like MD and LG are grouped at the end in the order configured in your theme. Custom classes not from Tailwind are sorted to the front for visibility. To wrap up, Prettier plugin Tailwind CSS is an invaluable tool for Tailwind CSS users, streamlining your workflow and ensuring a consistent code style. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!